Bora Centipede 4ft by 4ft 9-Strut work table, includes 4 X cups, 4 quick clamps, carry bag, portable work support sawhorse, CK9S, black, orange. Made of heavy-duty steel construction, the Centipede is a foldable workstand that can be set up as a large portable workbench at any job site. The full set comes with the following accessories: 4 quick clamps to keep your materials firmly in place, 4 X-shaped brackets which hold standard 2x4 boards steady, and a sturdy carry bag. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Work height. The working height is 30 inches tall, large enough to lay a 4 feet by 8 feet wood board on top. It's expandable by simply adding risers, not included, to increase the working height, and it supports up to 500 pounds of power tools and machinery. Number 2. Versatile functionality. Choose from 4 sizes: CK6S, CK9S, CK12S, and CK15S. The larger the base, the more weight the table can hold. The wider sizes allow you to complete 2 jobs at once. Number 3. Instant setup. This tool is ready to use right out of the box, no assembly required. It takes just seconds to set up. When the job is done, it conveniently folds up for easy storage and transport. Number 4. CK22T Taub Top. Now available for a portable worktop option with 3/4 inch bench dog holes. Number 5. Depending on the size of your Centipede workstand, you may need more than one tabletop for full coverage. CK6S needs 1, CK9S needs 2, CK15S needs 4. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.